Hey guys, this is Aisha. In this video today I'm going to tell you what are the different types of car insurance. You may already know how auto insurance work, but do you know what are the different types of car insurance are? If you are shopping for auto coverage, knowing the different types of auto insurance and their coverages an important step is getting the policy that's right for you. Here are a few of basic car insurance type, how they work and what they cover. Liability liability coverage requires the most US states as a legal requirement to drive a car. Liability insurance may help cover damage for injuries and property damage to other for which you become legally responsible resulting from a covered accident. Collision insurance may cover damage to your car after an accident involving another vehicles and may help to repair or replace covered vehicles. Comprehensive insurance can provide an extra level of coverage in the instance of an accident involving another vehicle. It may help pay for damage to your car due to incidents beside collisions, including vandalism, certain weather events, and accidents with animals. Uninsured insured most insurance. Uninsured most insurance can protect you and your car against uninsured drivers and hit and run accidents. This coverage is often paired with un, under insured most insurance. Under insured most insurance, many drivers choose a carry the minimums in liability coverage to save money, but this might not provide enough coverage. Understand, most insurance can protect you in the event of accident with a driver whose insurance is not enough to cover the cost. Medical payment coverage. Medical cost following an accident can be very expensive. Medical payments coverage can help pay medical costs related to a covered accidents regardless of who is at fault. Personal insurance protection insurance. Personal injuries protection insurance may cover certain medical expenses and losses of income resulting from a covered in accidents depending on the limits of policy. Personal injuries protection could cover as much as 80% of medical and other expenses stemming from a covered accidents. Gap insurance. Car value can depreciate quickly, so an auto insurance settlement might not be enough to cover the cost of loan. Gap insurance may help certain drivers cover the most owed on a car loan after a total loss of debt. Towing and labor insurance available if you already have comprehensive car insurance. Towing and labor insurance may reimburse you for a tow and for the labor cost to repair your vehicle. Rental reimbursement insurance. Figuring out how to get around after an accident can be expensive. Rental reimbursement insurance helps pay for a rental car if your vehicle cannot be driven after an accident. Classic car insurance. Classic car insurance provides specialized coverage designed for the unique needs of vintage and classic car collectors. To find out what is a classic car insurance for you. If you don't currently have auto insurance, for many car enthusiasts, the no idea of owning classic car is enough to get their hearts racing. However, owning a classic car means taking a different approach to the car, not at all repair stop all knowing cars for the engines, they may only be equipped for running diagnostic for today highly computerized car. Did you know there is a difference between a classic car and an antique car? Here are a few things to know before buy. Antique classic car or vintage. While the term antique classic car vintage same, they are actually very separable designs. Antique cars, for examples, are usually cars that are more 45 years old and maintaining keep manufacturing specification. However, state law of determines what qualifies as an antique car is the category often requires a special license plate, so always check the law of your state. Vintage car may antique and some antiques may be vintages, but that's not always the case. Usually cars are considered vintage if they were manufactured between 1919 and 1930 through some classification at the vintage designation at 1924. Learn more about the difference between vintage and the classic cars here. Classic cars must be at least 20 years old but not older than 40 years. As with antiques, cars should stay true to the original designs, but those that are modified with aftermarket touches may still qualify as a true classic cars. Alright guys, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.